How AR is transforming gaming. Let's dive into it. Think gaming can't get more immersive? Think again. Augmented reality is here, blurring the line between the real world and the gaming universe. Today, we'll explore how AR is revolutionizing the way we play, interact, and immerse ourselves in games like never before. Remember that summer when parks turned into Pokémon hunting grounds? Pokémon GO didn't just make us catch 'em all. It showed the world how AR could turn everyday streets into magical arenas. Blending the virtual and physical worlds, Arkansas is taking games off the screen and right into your hands. Why is AR a game changer? Simple. It injects life into gaming. Picture yourself standing face to face with creatures or solving puzzles that suddenly appear in your living room. AR turns your surroundings into a playground, making the experience personal, immersive, and unforgettable. But AR isn't just about solitary adventuring. Imagine sitting around a table with friends as holographic warriors clash on a 3D battlefield. Right before your eyes, AR gaming is bringing back the thrill of face-to-face fun, combining physical presence with interactive digital overlays. From competitive duels to cooperative quests, Arkansas allows players to team up, strategize, and experience something unlike any traditional video game. After all, what's better than smack-talking your friends while watching virtual chaos unfold in real time? AR doesn't just entertain, it interacts. Whether it's solving mysteries by scanning real-world landmarks or dodging virtual attacks in your own backyard, Arkansas encourages players to move, explore, and engage. It's no longer about a single controller. You are the controller. This tech also fosters creativity, letting gamers build worlds or craft experiences mapped onto the space around them. Ever dreamt of creating your own level in real life? With AR, the possibilities are endless. Now let's look ahead. The future of AR gaming is mind-blowing. Think advanced AR glasses, projecting full-scale environments or hyper-realistic holograms you can interact with. Imagine walking down your street and seeing a massive battle unfold, or teaming up with players worldwide in a shared virtual physical adventure. This is just the beginning. With advancements in hardware and software, Arkansas is evolving faster than we ever imagined. The line between game and reality is fading, and what's emerging is an entirely new era of entertainment. AR is not just transforming how we play. It's transforming how we connect, explore, and create. Whether you're hunting down digital treasures, casting spells in your living room, or battling holographic foes with friends, Arkansas gaming is unlike anything else. The future of gaming is here, and it's waiting for you to join in. Subscribe to VisionXR and dive into the next level of immersive entertainment. Let's explore, create, and game together. Are you ready to play the future? Hit that subscribe button now because adventure awaits.